Hey there, WordPress users. Have you ever tried changing your admin email but got stuck because your site doesn't send outbound emails? No worries. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to update your WordPress admin email without needing email confirmation. Let's dive in. In your WordPress general settings, here you'll see the administration email address field. Normally, if you change this, WordPress sends a confirmation email. But if your site can't send emails, you won't be able to verify it. That's where the trick comes in. Next, go to Plugins Add New. In the search bar, type Change Admin Email and look for the plugin by John D. Click Install Now, then activate it. Now go to Settings General. You'll see the administration email address field. Normally, WordPress would require an email confirmation to update this, but thanks to the plugin, we can change it instantly. Simply enter your new admin email and click Save Changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your admin email without email confirmation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips. See you in the next one.